guys, what is up? It's your girl Grace Toria and I'm back with a whole new video. In today's video we are going to be talking about how to have a comfortable, helpful makeup routine for quarantine that's going to help your skin instead of hurt it. But before we jump into the video, don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell as it really helps out my channel, and if you want to leave a comment and a like, that would be awesome too. I love you guys and thank you so much for 7K. I know I keep saying it, but it's because you guys are amazing. Also, if you want to enter a giveaway, I'm going to put the card right here, and it's a Bloodlust collection giveaway for Jeffree Star. It is free, so yeah, I think that's all my announcements, so we're just going to jump into the video. First thing I do is wash my face. Usually you would not wash your face if you're about to put makeup on because it opens your pores if you are using certain soaps. But since I am going around that today and using more natural products, I went ahead and washed my face. So I'm going to be using my Aveeno Positively Radiant Daily Moisturizer. Any moisturizer will work. If you're not using this one, I highly recommend using the e.l.f. Hydrating Moisturizer, or I think it's actually called the Hydrating Serum. It's in a blue bottle. I really like that one. Both of these I interchange pretty much almost every day. We're just gonna put that on everything. And also, I do not have contacts in. I usually wear glasses on days where I am in quarantine, unless I am filming, because it's a lot more comfortable. So girl, if you want to wear your glasses, ain't nobody gonna tell you not to. You just as beautiful, you do you, honey. So after that, I'm going to take Vaseline and a Q-tip. If you also have any mascara brushes that don't have anything on them, you could definitely use those as well. And I'm going to be dipping the Q-tip in Vaseline, and then I'm going to be putting it on my eyelashes. This is said to help it grow and makes your lashes look fuller, and it's a really good alternative to mascara. And then we're going to do the same on the bottom lash. Just be very careful not to get it in your eye, obviously. But I have done research on this because I was worried about getting it in my eye, and as long as you're careful, it has a lot of really good benefits. So yeah, it also makes you look a little bit more alert and awake. As you can see here, I'm gonna zoom in. So this eye is the eye with Vaseline, and this is the eye without it. You can tell a difference in my lashes. This also helps to grow your lashes. I haven't been doing it for that long, but we're gonna be seeing how long they grow and how much better they look. I think it's JC Marie Smith that also does this, but I can't remember. It's someone that I watch. And yeah, there's a lot of research on it, so if you want to look into using Vaseline instead of mascara on days that you're not going out, it just gives you like a little bit more of a pop to your eyes, and it's healthy and it's not going to damage your eyelashes. So yeah. So I went ahead and put it on my other eye. Obviously, if you have a mascara brush, maybe from an old mascara that you don't use anymore, or you can buy like little sets of mascara brushes from Walmart, that is going to make your mascara pop a lot more, and it's going to make your eyes, it's going to make the Vaseline look more like mascara than it does on me right now. But either way, it's going to be helpful, and it's going to grow your lashes in a more natural way. And then after you do that, I am just going to be taking another Q-tip, dipping it in Vaseline, and going over my eyebrows. And I am using my finger to kind of fix the details where I need to. I've heard this is really good for your eyebrows as well. Again, there's a ton of research about it online if you are interested in looking into it. I would highly recommend researching anything before you put it on your face. So if you don't take my word for it, just go ahead and research it, and you can make a decision on if it's the right product for you. And then the last thing I'm going to do, I know already, last thing, is I'm going to be putting chapstick on. Okay. So this is my completed look. I actually didn't use any typical makeup to put it on, obviously. I put on products that are going to help my skin, that I'm going to be more comfortable with, so that is why I chose to go that route. We are in quarantine, we're not allowed to go anywhere, but it does make me feel like a little bit more put together and like I got dressed today. So if you want to see my skincare routine on how I got my skin looking this way so that I don't really have to worry as much about wearing makeup, then I would be happy to do that. Just let me know. Also, if you want me to show you my quarantine must-haves for my wellness and well-being and all that, I would love to do that as well. I'm going to try and be uploading every single day now that it is officially summer, and I cannot wait to spend this summer with you guys. I love you so much, and I hope that you enjoyed this look. Don't forget to subscribe if you aren't already. Hit that notification bell to be notified every single time I upload a video. Leave a like and a comment with what you thought about today's look. It's a little bit more natural, a little bit more healthy, because we don't want to kill our skin for no reason. So this is how I get ready in quarantine. Yeah, I love you guys so much, and I'll see you in my next video.
Tastes like strawberries on a summer evening, and it sounds just like a song.